Welcome to the Quick Start tutorial for Quantile Find Your Lesson. Ensure student readiness for instruction with this tool that aligns the Quantile framework to your textbook or other math curriculum. See each lesson's associated quantile measure and explore further to identify prerequisite, supporting, and impending math skills. You can find the tool in your Lexile and Quantile Hub All Tools page, or navigate there directly using hub.lexile.com/find-your-lesson. To get started, just enter your search criteria. Use any combination of the following to find lessons and view the quantile skills and concepts associated with them: textbook or program title, ISBN, publisher, state edition, grade or course. For the best results, enter the complete textbook or program title or its ISBN. If you've elected to search a state-specific edition, know that only states with state edition textbooks will be listed in the drop-down menu. And finally, if you're unsure if the textbook is a state-specific edition, it's best to leave that selection set to any. Now just click Search to view the results. All the titles that match your search criteria will appear at the bottom of the page. Each textbook or program title listed includes title, publisher, course, and publication year. You can also sort your results by clicking the drop-down arrow beside the desired criteria: title, publisher, course, and publication year. Click on the textbook or program title to view more details about this content. A new page will appear displaying the contents of the resource, its QSC alignment, and quantile measure. You can control how much information you see in the following ways. Click on the Show All QSCs button in the upper right-hand corner of the page to view QSC ID, description, and quantile measure for the entire page. Click on the Hide All QSCs button to collapse the information. You can also choose to view QSCs for individual sections of content. Just click on the Show QSCs link next to each section on the Details page to show QSCs associated with that section. Then click on the Hide QSCs link to hide them. From here, you can explore all the quantile skill and concept IDs. Just click on the QSC ID or description to explore a lesson's QSC and its associated quantile resources. The information available includes QSC ID, description, quantile measure, knowledge cluster including prerequisites, supporting, and impending QSCs, resources, and state standard alignments to QSCs. You can also select a state from the State Standards drop-down menu to search for a state standard alignment for the focus QSC if one was not already indicated through a standard search. And finally, Basic Plus and Premium members can save quantile resources they love. Just click the Add symbol to save a resource for easy access in the future in your Quantile Resource Center. Now you're ready to put those QSCs to work. That concludes this Quick Start tutorial. We'd love to know what you think about the Quantile Find Your Lessons tool. Visit support.lexile.com to find more answers or to get in touch with the Lexile and Quantile team. Thanks for watching!